not going to be a dirt trigger. The man in authority distributor just processed with a induction solution. Atlantic Coast Converter. Precision fabrication and wiring. Also, all boy.
Alright, y'all, we're here with Nick. Alright, and look, just tell us a little bit about the car, give us the history on it, the setup and stuff like that.
It's a 70 Nova. I got a 5.3 in it truck block. It's been bored 30 over. I made an LS1 out of it. I got 200 shot of gas on it. Car runs 670. It's a full street car. Driving the highway. This is my business. I do a little performance work on the side.
So what kind of
and stuff?
Yeah. What kind of work you do so they'll know?
I do LS swaps, fuel injection, carburetor, either way you want to go.
And we got his contact information below on the screen right now, so y'all can hit him up. So.
And y'all get up with me, and I do a good job for you. But I've had the car about 20 years. Don't plan on getting rid of it. I've had it for a while. But yeah, it's pretty fast for what it is. But,
right, and this actually gonna be the second time on the channel, y'all. I'm gonna insert a clip right now so y'all can see the first time. And as y'all can see, it was a lot of spin the first time, but it ain't gonna be that today, right?
Yeah, I've done some suspension work since then, and I'm hoping I got it right this time. But I've run it since then, and it seemed to be working pretty good now. Did some suspension work and tire pressure right, and it seemed to be right this time. So I'm hoping we get a good pass out of it today.
Right. I'm looking forward to see what you do out there. Can you drop your number? Drop your number so they know where to find you again.
I'm out of Rayford, North Carolina. My number is 910-824-5051.
All right, y'all.
Nick's Performance and Auto.
Nick's Performance and Auto. Make sure to give him a call, y'all. Y'all shot with him. Good work. Y'all see real clean work. He did everything himself. Nice car. Hey, we looking forward to seeing you out there.
Thanks, man.
Alright, y'all, so what happened right there? Nitrous solenoid wire. Just gotta crimp it together and it'll be good to go. So that's what happened with y'all just saw on that first attempt. So the next run should be good to go. So we're gonna get that fixed, then we're gonna take back in. Alright, be safe. Okay, y'all, look, We back after the first run, y'all. So, hey, tell everybody what happened the first time, the first attempt, so they'll hear it from you.
The first attempt, I tried to, my wire came loose on my nitrous solenoid, and I had to put another connector on it. But got it straightened out, and it's working good now.
All right, so look, what you think about that first hit?
Feels good, man. Boy, that 200 feels good.
So it was what you wanted to see?
Yeah, it done good.
All right.
650.
Gotcha. So you gonna make another run tonight?
Yeah, I'm entering in the Street Invaders race.
Street Invader.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, y'all, we about to definitely see him out there. That first hit was a mean one, like.
Yeah.
So we're gonna catch you out there on the next run.
All right, boo.
All right.